How to enable install unknown apps on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll. Tap on security and privacy. Again scroll down. Now tap on more security settings. Here you can see install unknown apps. Tap on it. Here you can see the list of available apps that support unknown source on your device. When you enable specific app toggle, you can install APK file or install the third party file from your device using this setting on your device. Just toggle on it. You want to enable third party apps related to this source on your device. You can also use other phone settings. Again, scroll down and tap on apps. Now tap on the three vertical dots at top right corner. Now tap on a special access. Now scroll down again. Here you can see install unknown apps. Tap on it. So you can easily enable or disable the source you want to allow to install third party or APK file on your Samsung S24 Ultra device. That's it. Play like it. Share it.